Got it here 4 to 6% tent. Another one, the blow up one. This is what it looks like when it's set up. Let me show you how easy it is to set up. This one was double tent. Remember, still standing, look good. I'm about to break it up. But yeah, this one is pretty unique. This is the name of this tent and the brand of this tent, and I'm not sure how to pronounce it. This is already preset. That's why it's in this big section. You can make it smaller if you fold it up better. Blue side goes on the bottom. So just gonna unroll it and unfold it. Okay, now we're just gonna blow it up. Working with my legs instead of my arms. So as you can see, it's pretty easy. The air distributing everywhere. This pump is pumping whenever I'm pushing down and up. It should stand up by itself. There you go. Boom, there you go. Wow, cool, isn't it? And spike it all up. Probably best thing to do is get these full corners. Okay, this is our tent. This is the front and this is the back right here, or opposite, not really sure. Remember, that one is still awesome. So how do we open this? There's a spike right here. So we open this and then zip it all the way, whatever. You can actually grab this and set it up. So there's a little space under here, or check this out. There are circles. There's little ventilation holes if you need it. There's a double entrance right here. There's another one entrance over there. Hold together. Same thing. Just gonna grab it, pull it up. You see? That's gotta be the back. The other one is the front. So highly ventilated. Check this out. Very big, as you can see. Very cool tent. I really like it a lot. There's a ventilation zipper right here as well. There's gotta be ventilation zippers here too. You see it? Nice. So that's why it has this little thing. And looks like it has some kind of plastic to keep it up. Very nice. I really enjoy this kind of tents a lot. As you can see, they look like igloos, I guess. That one is this way. This one is double tent, 2 tents in one. This one for 4 to 6 people. Love it. Okay, now the fun part. How fast can we break it down? Obviously, we gotta unspike it all. Pop on 4 different sides, so the air will come out pretty good. This very strong. And then let the air out of the air tubing. Now we're just gonna grab it and make it really tight. But you can take it all apart to make it much smaller. There's the air valve, so I'm gonna push it to the end. Completely empty it out as much as I can. Sometimes they give you a holder. Once you take it off from the packages, it does not go back in. Just push all the air out and then fold it up. Tighten this up. There is your tent right here. Pretty cool, isn't it? This side here, the best cord organizer. Check this out. Once I pull this out, open this, and then we're gonna plug it into the plug. Once you're done with the plug, you put this back in and fold this back up like this. And you just step on it and fold it back up. Then to show you guys how it's going to look like, let's go with it right here. So as you can see, it can go really fast. Boom. And again, whenever I need my cord, just grab it and pull it out. As much as you have to. Pretty awesome, right? It is really easy too. You just go this way. Look how nice that is. You can grab it and lift it up so it doesn't only goes to the top and boom. We rolled up and like this, boom. So if you want only like maybe 8 feet of cordage, just pull it out a little bit. Then you see the rest of it in there. Then you pull this out, put it into the plug. That's it, just far enough from the bucket. Then you put it back in whenever you're done. And again, I need to roll it back up. Super easy. Got your cordage like this, put it away. Got it here, Craftsman battery operated trimming chainsaw. It's like what, 4 inches, and look at it, it has like a claw over here. So you can grab up branches and trim them up really quickly. Don't think we can do this big tree, but let's try it. So whenever it's working, as you can see, you will not touch the floor because it's protecting it. It's a super safe saw. Boom. Look at that. How many inches is that? Couple, 3, 4 inches. It's nice. Okay, different view. No problem. Look at that. It's quite fun. Got it here, X Mini Pro folding camping fire pit stove. This thing is pretty cool. There's a band of it. Let's open it up. So there is how many pieces? About 4 pieces. So there is a little clamp set here. First of all, that's going to be the base. You wanna open this latchets and unfold this and put it into the latchet, like that. And then you're just gonna flip the latchet one and flip the second latchet right here. Locks it up to where it's now. You have a tiny little fire pit that is not gonna come apart, unfold, very safe. Then you're gonna put this right here for the ash, and there's few holes over here, so ventilation will be pretty good on the sides. You see there's holes all around. And then you have right here a little grill. First of all, you can set it this way as close as possible to the holes, or you can adjust it by sliding this up on the same level. So that way you have still space here and here to add on charcoal, wood, whatever the fuel you're using. And once it burns off, you want to get it closer to the flame, just pull this up and adjust it. So this is pretty much the lowest setting, and then looks like the higher setting. So 3 different settings, and let's see how steady that is. So everything sits in there super well. It's not going to fall apart on you. So it's pretty solid stuff to where it sits really well. And easy to take it off. Fold it together. Then obviously this would come off. Then the latchets. You see there's a latchet. You just lift it up. Like old school latchets. Boom. Fold this. Kind of, I guess, lay it down to where it's a square. And then put this together. There you go. And let's see if it'll go back into the case easily. I just love it. This is such an easy camping stove to set up, break apart, bring it with you. Very unique. Now I can do this in a sitting position because now it's gonna go pretty easily. 4 pieces, then I get the bigger piece, maybe another 4 pieces. And once it's too small, I'm probably just gonna go into halves. Use 1 blade. That's pretty much big enough. You can go smaller. I mean small enough, because I don't go smaller, it just falls apart into small twigs. But look, even this piece, look at that. It just fell apart into many pieces. There you go. We made enough kindling to start a fire. But if you wanna get another big piece like that, I like it because you can initially heat it 1 time and it will hold it. That's why this is the splitter I like for kindling. Another 4 pieces. Again, grab the bigger one, heat it a little bit. Now it's stuck in there. You see, drive it in super nice. Got here very unique matches. It looks like actually wax, so it's in a sense candle matches. So there's a box, so light it up. You kind of have to hold it upside down to get them going, and if you don't, you see they kind of go off pretty quickly. Even though they are water resistant, you see, lighting them up, a little trick. So we're gonna take one out, make sure it's not windy. Okay, and then you wanna hold them upside down safely. Make sure wind does not go blow them out, and just like a candle, it's gonna start burning. Once it's going pretty good, no problem. You have a long burning, looks like burn for 8 minutes. So it's in a sense is a much fire starter made out of wax. You see how it's like turning and actually burns like a candle in a sense. It has stayed up all wax. So I built a little teepee for fire starting. I'll put them both in here. Let's see if it's going to get it going. That is going to dry out those twigs. Wax matches, eco-friendly material, all 100% recycled. Weird, but cool. And we got our fire going. Check this out. All of that wax have melted, burning really well. Definitely one of the most unique matches I've ever seen. Who knows what they're gonna invent next. And look at that, we got a good fire going. Now we can add on different stick, bigger sticks, and go with the logs later.